I wake up at 7 every morning. I wake up at 7 every morning. I get up and make my bed. I get up and make my bed. Please turn off the alarm. Please turn off the alarm. I put on my blue shirt. I put on my blue shirt. I take off my jacket at home. I take off my jacket at home. I brush up on my English every day. I brush up on my English every day. We go out for dinner tonight. We go out for dinner tonight. I come back home at 6. I come back home at 6. Please sit down here. Please sit down here. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. I pick up my phone. I pick up my phone. Please put down your bag. Please put down your bag. Look at this picture. Look at this picture. I am looking for my keys. I am looking for my keys. I want to find out the answer. I want to find out the answer. Turn on the light. Turn on the light. Please come in. Please come in. Let's go in now. Let's go in now. We go back home. We go back home. We walk around the park. We walk around the park. We eat out on Fridays. We eat out on Fridays. Please clean up your room. Please clean up your room. Throw away the trash. Throw away the trash. Please give back my book. Please give back my book. Take out the garbage. Take out the garbage. Bring back my notebook. Bring back my notebook. Fill up your water bottle. Fill up your water bottle. Please slow down. Please slow down. Hurry up, we are late. Hurry up, we are late. Come over this afternoon. come over this afternoon. I will call you back. I will call you back. Write down this word. Write down this word. Read over your homework. Read over your homework. Please speak up. Please speak up. Wake up! It's time for school. Wake up. It's time for school. I get back home early. I get back home early. He hangs up the phone. He hangs up the phone. I try on a new jacket. I try on a new jacket. Take back your bag. Take back your bag. She picks out a dress. She picks out a dress. Come along with us. Come along with us. Let's look around the store. Let's look around the store. Let's check out this book. Let's check out this book. I drop off my son at school. I drop off my son at school. I ran into my friend yesterday. I ran into my friend yesterday. She looks after her little brother. She looks after her little brother. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I get off at the next stop. I get off at the next stop. I came across an old photo. I came across an old photo. Carry on with your work. Carry on with your work.